Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how you can log into your CoinGecko account using the CoinGecko mobile application. So in order to do that, first of all, make sure you download the CoinGecko app on your device and launch it open. From the main homepage of CoinGecko, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. Inside the More menu, tap on Login at the top. To log into your CoinGecko account, you can choose email and password option if you've previously signed up using email and password for your new account. You can also continue logging in with your Google account and with your Apple account. Choose any one option that is suitable to you. If you are moving on with email, type in your email address in the first text box that is associated with your account. Make sure to type in your email correct and head over to the password field. Enter your correct password for your account. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset instructions. After filling in your credentials correct, click on the Login button and follow through the instructions, and you will be signed into your CoinGecko account. That's how you easily sign in to CoinGecko in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us.